What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. We'll do a market update. We'll talk about Luna Classic, what happened since yesterday. Obviously, yesterday we had a big bullish move because of, multiple things. We'll talk about those fundamentals, don't worry. Obviously, it's Sunday. Sunday always provides some sort of a spike for Luna Classic because of, well, you know it. Tomorrow we'll have that Binance burn. Which is probably going to be bigger than usual because we had some amazing volume with Luna Classic, which is great. All right. Obviously now it has dropped down to pretty low levels, or I guess we should say normal levels again. But that's because some momentum has left, obviously, but also because it's weekends. Volume always drops down in the weekends. So yeah, the fundamentals. There's basically like. Not two proposals, but there's two things going on. First of all, there's a proposal about further decentralization of Luna Classic, of the blockchain and the Luna Classic token, the TERRA Classic blockchain, I should say then, which is very bullish. I also talked about that. I think that was one of the reasons we got this move. So that's bullish. That's still going on right now, I think. I mean, so during the typing, I actually stopped my recording. So welcome back. I'm not going to look for it again, but basically the proposal about further decentralization, couldn't find it either way, so yeah, it doesn't matter. And apart from that, the thing is that the TERRA blockchain, back when it was created with the Cosmos, which is another blockchain SDK, right? So it was very interoperable with Cosmos. And with the entire blockchain, which obviously increases the value of the ecosystem. And it's just great to have that interoperable. And right now they're actually fixing that. That's going to be possible again, which is bullish. I think that's one of the reasons behind the move like this as well. But it's not hugely bullish. I mean, Cosmos has a great community. Don't get me wrong, but it's not that big of an ecosystem, and it's not really growing that hard either. So altogether, some great news, and the market was bullish. So we got this move. I think it was everything. Apart from that, what I usually do is we also take a look at the burn tax. It's pretty high actually. At 17 million, we're still not burning any Luna Classic, obviously compared to the total supply. But if this was still with a 1.2% burn tax, you should do this times 6. That would be 480 million. Well, that would be a lot, right? $500 million in one day. So yeah, maybe this burn tax drop down to 0.2% really is good for the ecosystem, but it's perhaps a little bit early to talk about that. And tomorrow we'll get that Binance burn. I think it will be about 1.7 or 2 billion. So then they will have burned through 10 billion, and we're getting close to that 0.5% of the total supply being burned, which I think is around 33 billion. Which is still not a lot, but it's something to celebrate, right? Now, if we take a look at the price, because we've talked about the fundamentals maybe a little bit too long already, you can see that what I expected was that we would actually find resistance at 27,000. It's a major resistance level, and right now we have the chance to actually prove that we can get up even more. I think that's possible. The markets are quite bullish, and even though Luna Classic isn't that correlated with the markets, I still think it's possible. But right now we're in this phase. We're consolidating a little bit on top of that 24,000 level. It's at least what I always name the prices as. And we have this resistance level around 26,000. I think that if we actually want to get to our next price target, which would be around 28,000, we need to break above that 26,000 level again, like we did right here. Here we also didn't respect the break retest, but I think the next time we do that, I do think we'll be able to do that. And today, I mean, we got a chance to actually break above 26,000 because of that Binance burn. But yeah, as I said, we really should close above that and take that break retest, because we could also just have a fake out and then something like this is not going to happen, because in the end, it's not nothing. It's quite a nice move. So if we're not able to do that, and instead of this, we'll break down below 24,000, which is our major support level right now, then we'll probably drop down all the way back down to 22,000 and this whole 21,000 level and kind of consolidate further. I don't expect any huge drops soon. We could have some small drops like this, but I mean, in the end, the Luna Classic community is still very strong. So yeah, I'm not expecting too many drops, but if we drop down below 24,000, we could drop a little bit. So that's my take on Luna Classic. I'll be back tomorrow with the entire burn tax happening. But for now, take care, have a great Sunday, and bye.